Your event landing page is your first hello. Make it count. Show what the event's about, tease the experience, highlight what attendees will gain, and wrap it all in eye-catching visuals and keywords that turn curiosity into signups. To start, head over to the homepage editor where you can build your event website. Begin by uploading a banner. Click Image, pick your ready-made banner, and choose one of the 5 banner layouts depending on the vibe you want for your site. Once your main visual is in place, go to Sections on the left and select the section you want to add. Planning to include both images and text? Choose Images and Text. When you click on it, setup options appear on the right. Choose a grid or list layout, center the text, or add a button linking to another page. If you want to showcase partner logos supporting your event, go to Images and pick a layout that fits the number and type of logos you're uploading. Here's a tip. To make your site dynamic and engaging, add a statistics section. After adding it, click on it and select which event numbers to highlight, like how many participants are available in B2B sessions or how many meetings have been booked. Nothing sparks action like seeing others in motion. For extra visibility, reposition the statistics section below the banner using the section arrows. When you're ready to create a new page, click Add Page, give it a title, hit Create, and continue setting up other pages using sections on the left. The default FAQ page can also be personalized. Select the FAQ section, write the specific event questions, and prepare helpful answers. On the Live page, each question will have an expand arrow so users can reveal or hide the answer. Don't forget to include a contact page so attendees know who to reach out to. Create a contact page by adding a new page, or click on an existing one to edit it. Go to Organizers, select the Added section, and on the right, search for the organizers invited to display their contact details. Alternatively, use a simple text section if that's easier. Remember, any changes you make only appear after you click Save in the top right corner and publish. Now for the finishing touches. Head to Configuration and Branding under Event Settings. Here, you can choose your website's theme, background color, header, footer, and brand colors. Don't forget to upload your organization's logo so it appears in the top left corner of your event website, right next to the event name, and at the bottom of emails and notifications. Your landing page says hello to visitors, so why not say hola, bonjour, or ciao too? To address your audience in their own language, go to Configuration, Event Information, and switch on the website language toggle. Set your main language and add any others your website should support. Make sure to translate your own content. B2 Match automatically handles default components. For example, go to Participant Types, click Edit, and add translations for both the type name and description. Back in the homepage editor, duplicate a page by clicking the 3 dots, selecting the language you're translating into, and adding your localized version. And of course, don't forget to save and publish your multilingual masterpiece.